Hello everyone. This is a video of the new Vax Airlift 2 corded vacuum cleaner. This was purchased by myself from Vax. So we're going to do a unboxing video, and then I will do another video of actually using the vacuum cleaner. This would be priced at £200 to purchase from the Vax website. One of the benefits of purchasing from the Vax website is that the warranty gets registered automatically for you, so you don't need to go to the website and do that separately. Okay, so we've got some books and some paperwork about the vacuum cleaner and how to assemble it. We've got our attachments. So we've got the small crevice attachment, yeah, which has got the other attachment on the end as well, so you can flip it around if you need to. I believe this is the motorized brush attachment. Oh yeah, see, so we've got a motorized brush attachment. That's the kind of attachment that you would use for the stairs. I will say that this vacuum cleaner is packaged quite well. Okay, so we've got another crevice tool. Oh, here we go. See, so that's something you would use for, say, maybe like curtains or soft fabrics. Okay, right. There's the handle. I will say that the vacuum cleaner doesn't feel overly heavy when it was delivered. It didn't feel too heavy. One of the benefits with this kind of vacuum is that you've got yourself an upright vacuum cleaner and you've got yourself a cylinder vacuum cleaner when you need to do small jobs, or maybe the car or maybe the stairs. What you've also noticed as well with the packaging is that Vax don't use polystyrene anymore in their packaging. They use cardboard because cardboard is recyclable and polystyrene is not. So as you can see, it's out of the box now. So you've got your brush roll here. It looks like it's got a dual brush roll on this. So there's two brush rolls. There's your canister for your dirt. Obviously around the back here is the pipe where we can just do that, and then that way then we can use that with our attachments. The machine at the moment does really feel built quite well. as you can see how that slotted into place. There was no way of making a mistake there. I believe you can put that in there if you wanted to. Oh, right, okay. That's quite interesting. So that can then plug there, and I believe that can go in there as well. That's really good. So we've got, make sure that's in firmly. We've got the power cable here. It's quite a long power cable. That's plenty length to do the stairs. As you can see, the contrast of the colour, which is blue. If we move it up here a little bit, we can see here that the dual brushes, we take this tape off now. Now this is not a full size vacuum cleaner, this is a small one. It's also lightweight compared to some of the other models. This also will do multiple floors, so if you can see that on the camera, that's really soft, that is there. Yeah. So that's designed for a hard floor, and then you've got your brushes for the carpet. So this vacuum cleaner can do hard floors as well as carpet. So these are the attachments. And the brush attachment. Now for storage wise, there does appear to be storage for at least one attachment on there. I'm assuming that this up here allows me to put that in there, or potentially the brush, but there is a hose lock on there as well, so you can use that to help with the flex. So when you're not using a vacuum cleaner, you can put the flex around these options, but that's obviously going to be for one of the attachments in there as well. Potentially something like that, which would go in there like that. Right. Next video will be me testing it. Thank you. That is the Vax Airlift 2.